Another day, another video. Yes, sir. Today we're in this X game. Oh, wait, is this like the admins or something? That's cool. This is like the one. That's probably why he has dev right there. Okay, yeah. Okay, it's putting me to this access thingy. I guess let's see what it is. Okay, I have literally nothing except this. I have no coins, nothing. Okay, A. Oh, auto. Okay. What is that? What? Why? No. No, except one. Bro, thanks. Okay, can I? No, keep the other ones, bro. I only want one. Okay, so I guess I can sell this. So this log, how much? Okay. It's nothing. We're gonna skip to the basic X. Yes, sir. I can do it. Oh, bro. Keep your logs. That one log is all I need. How do I? Have good logs. This is super confusing to me. So I don't understand what any of this is. Am I even getting logs? How am I already that high level? And how am I doing 90 damage? Okay, I don't know if this is working correctly. Pets. Oh, do I get those ones? You know what? Let's get a frog, buddy. I like frogs. Oh, yeah, these are the ones. Okay. Well, that makes sense. I like the music, but I don't know if it's copyright, so I can't have that. Wow. Is my frog floating? Wait, so I could just... And it goes boom from 100% to 20. Fragments? Okay, yeah, let's sell these. here. Sell my entire inventory. I'll take that. Really well. A daily wear, huh? Okay. One spin. What did I get? I don't know. What is the skins? Okay. I mean, sure. They look cool, so yeah. So the best one is hexwood log. Okay, and mutations. Okay. I wanna go to this. And like this. Yeah, boy. Okay, I'm not even doing super. What am I saying? Yeah, maybe I shouldn't have gone to World 6. Where am I? There's a giant geode over there. Okay, what's that? Okay, we go back to World's Great Tree. What? Oh, okay. Skill tree. Oh, wait. So, all I want was in the crystals. Ooh. Okay. Upgrading this skill will make your donated logs +1 higher performance. I'll get this. Can I? How do I spend my points? Oh yeah, yeah. What am I saying? Okay. Donate this one and donate this one. Okay, I have 0 still. Genesis tree. Okay, let's just go back. Hyper already left. Why? I don't know. Do these logs look super cool? Like they will give a lot of money? Heck yeah. I'm gonna be rich. I see a free log. And from ah man, I can take his log. I mean, that does make sense. But still. Yeah. Doo-ba-doo-ba-doo. Yeah-ba-da-ba-doo. Yeah-ba-da-ba-dee-ba-doo-ba-doo. Okay. What is happening? What's happening to my screen? I'm scared. You're from huh? Meteor? Okay. Okay, these trees are too strong. Ah, man. How strong are these trees? Probably not too strong. Well, never mind. That's not nice. Okay. I can get this one, maybe. I need more money. I'm almost level 100. Well, almost 90. Okay, level 90. There we go. 91. And still 91. Next one. Stone log. How much is this worth? Let's see. Sell the entire inventory. I'm rich. Oh, it didn't sell this one. Sell this. Okay. And I'm rich. I have enough for gold axe. Obviously, I want to equip it. Hiya. Magma. I do much more damage. I do much more damage. Yes, I do a lot more damage. Electric. Let's go. You know what? I'll AFK this. Yeah. BRB. Well, heck no, I'm not doing that. Okay, I guess we'll get back to that later. Like that. It's kind of strong. Chocolate? Okay. I want the trees that I can one shot. If that's any tree here. Definitely not that one. Almost to these ones. Should I go sell? No, yeah, I'll go sell. Okay. 2x luck is about to run out. I didn't even notice those are there. That's loud. But I'm rich. So it's worth it. I guess I don't know. Okay, let's get... I need the otter. Or the lizard. Which one should I get? No, lizard. Yeah. I do a lot more damage now. Which I do like. So now I think... Yeah, what's this tree? Okay. Yeah, I still don't think I can beat it. But I will try. That's for sure. I will defeat them. And keep in mind, this is only World 1. So yeah. Yeah. Lag. Oh, wait, what's that? Mystic. That's cool. Please, one. Follow me. Okay. Okay. So my inventory 1.5 million. I'm rich. To a low level. Okay. I'll get the bone axe for now. And I think I'll save up for the otter. I need logs with super OP mutations. Okay, toxic seems good. Is this the tree? Yes, and I do a lot more damage. I do almost 1,000 damage. Almost. Cloud doesn't seem okay. Frosted. I like that. Oh. No. 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 Why did it have to be that amount of KG? I mean, it's good, but still. Y'all know what the number is. Eclipse. That looks cool. Like a black hole darkness kind of thing. 2.9 million. I was gonna get the otter because Otter is my favorite YouTuber. Like, I don't know Roblox, but Wolf is too overpowered. I can literally one-shot anything. See? Okay, well, maybe not anything. Everything, but I can one-shot a lot of things. Where's the tree? I think it's this one. Where's the tree? Well, I don't care because I can kill this easily now. I remember at the start when I did like 0.07 damage to it or something. Yeah. And now I can kill it in like 7 hits. Why am I saying 7? Well, I'm scared of saying the number before and then 7. Like the number before 7 and then 7. I'm not gonna say it though. I'm not gonna say it because that would be really bad. Why am I always so sleepy in my videos? Well, maybe because, yeah, I don't know actually. Well, I do make them kind of late and then I have to edit it, which takes even longer. Inventory 1.4 mil. Y'all know what? Wait, what's the last thing? Why this? At least they didn't put the worst number up here. The only thing they put a bad number on is something all the way up here. where is it? Beaver. That's what they put it on. And Otter, I'm not gonna equip it, but I'm buying it because he's my favorite YouTuber. So yeah. Favorite. Okay. How hard is it with these ones? Possible. And I'm gonna do it. BRB. Can I? No. Okay, just. Yeah, and bam. I'm back. And yeah. One more hit. Kablam. Void log. I need to see how much it's worth. Corrupted. Wait, it didn't get a mutation. Does that mean I have to do it again? No, right. Wait, how? I'm not doing that. Just no. Ice. Shouldn't it be slippery? I don't care. It's easy to get. And bam! I got a nature frost log. I got a chocolate frost. Oh my god. Ooh, wait. That could be pretty good. Man. Okay. Let's just sell. I wish this teleport. Oh, it's just a HP farm. Well, it's cool. Can I jump down? No. That's no fun. Well, that's fine. I want to see how much this one is worth. Selling it immediately. No. That's not all. I'm rich. I'm like actually rich. But that could be good. Should I don't know. Should I save up for a pet maybe? I could get the beaver. You know what, I'll get the axe. I just need 4 more levels. Lunar hurts my eyes. I can say that much. Let's get another one of these. So I'll get the video again and boom. 10% left and boom, bam, bop, bing. Voila. A normal one again. No, that's fine. I don't care. Actually, yes I do. Inferno seems good. Wait, am I enough level? Okay, sell. I don't care how much I get. Okay, okay, blah, blah, blah. Bam! I have a blue max. Yay. Is that even good? Okay, I don't think I need to answer that. Yeah, I already know the answer. And yeah, like 5 damage to this tree. I don't even need to cut the video anymore. I could just do it. It's easy. Bam, bam, bing, bop, boom, shlabaya, bang. Still a normal one. My goal for today's video is to get a mutated void log. When I get that, I'm gonna end the video. Yeah, so that's what we're doing. Okay, so basically, I need a better pet, but I don't want the beaver because, duh, pitch. You can just TP. Okay, that's cool. So I need 11.2 million. So if y'all just wait here and kaboom. Okay, I think that's all I need. And sell. Yes, sir. Exactly enough. Okay, so I guess I need like 200 more. Let's just get this. And bam. I don't need a notification. What? How much more do I need? I have enough. Okay. Guess my log's just like disappearing. Okay, now I have enough. Yes, sir. I do a lot of damage. And when I did the cut, I saw this biome. And the trees are actually kind of easy to chop down. Especially now. Yes, I have this thing. I don't know what that is. I'll put like an arrow if you didn't see my mouse. What am I saying? I should stop. So yeah, my goal right now is to get to level 180. If y'all don't know why, it's because I need to get the next axe. So let's just get the full inventory of these logs real quick. Okay, getting a full inventory of it would take way too long. So yeah, I only got 21. I'll give this person one. Take it. Is there? Always do nice things. It's really good. Okay, 2. I still need a bit more levels. So I think I know what to do for that. Yeah. Geode. It doesn't respawn too fast anymore. Okay, never mind. It was just... I think it's just that not many people go up here, so they don't mind the geodes. And there's just a lot of them grouped into each other or something. I don't know. But yeah. Let's see if I can take on a swamp tree or something. What? Word 3. Way too strong. Maybe I can go to word 2? Still too strong. No. I'll take 5 more walk speed. I need to sacrifice some logs to the thing from before. Into Rift. Never mind, I don't want to do that. I don't want to deal with that. We need to get some logs to sacrifice for the tree golem thing. Yeah, that. In Great Tree. The humongous tree is still here. 1% done. And these trees, yeah. Wait, I can actually do this. Seal in a bit, and boom. And boom. Bop. It got a mutation. Okay, so yeah, that wasn't the goal of the video, but I think we've made it pretty far, right? I want to see how much it's worth first. White, and this one. Oh, was it on that one? I don't know which one he was. Which one was it? Murklock. Okay, and inventory value. You're not settlement inventory. And this. Yeah. So this is an AFK thing. Okay. Oh, I have to get that guy a log. Ash log corrupted. I'm pretty sure it's... Bro, I'm trying to give this to you. You're welcome. That's what nice people do. So I guess I'm a nice person. He also got a mutated one. I got a lunar. Don't you guys dare say the thing. Because, yeah. Yeah. if I remember correctly, was it in the geo? Not here. Maybe it was here? How do I always forget things? I forgot where it is. Sorry. I'll tell if I find it. No problem. Yeah, I guess we need to find it. Search for the missing backpack. No, I don't know. I do stupid things sometimes. Bam! Level 180. So let's sell my inventory. I'm rich. And let's buy this. I do 1,000 more damage. Oh, 1,200 actually. What's order 2? I found it. Follow me, follow me, follow me, follow me. World 2. You are welcome. You're welcome, my friend. No problem. Wait, why did I sell? It was supposed to be... No, I don't want a piece yellow log. What the heck is this burning thing? Okay, never mind, I don't care. Is the huge tree still here? Yes, it is. I need a lot of logs because they're gonna be sacrificed. Obviously. Yo, Hyper joined. Sub. Bye bye. Okay. Let's get Hyper a good log. This one. A radiant ash log. Wow, that burns. Is he? Yeah, he's still in the server. Where? Oh, I see him. welcome. Because you always need to be nice. Okay, gray tree. And we offer everything to Grindor. Yes, sir. Don't know if I get a lot. Oh, okay. Okay. You know what? I actually understand. So yeah, I guess that's it for this video. Have a great day. Shout out to this guy, and Hyper. No, actually, shout out to Japanese symbol guy, another Japanese symbol guy, and Hyper. Yeah, shout out to them, and peace out.